kwihehuru ryo kugema indwara ya COVID-19 tandikaho muri Mbarara Regional Referral Hospital babasize gutera abantu bari kurenga akaga. Obwiro buhwireho bw'indwara ya COVID-19 bire yaye yongere obire noshanga hibaru kugemera abantu bijwire konko bwa hato mubaro n'umuki okutandikana wice hwire irwaro ritwirene rigema batungere dozi yo kubanza konka abantu bari kurenga 18 tubaka basize kurebekaho kumara ye dozi za bibiri ekiruko buzabuza bebembire hurureje.
Out of the 5,800 people we vaccinated, we gave them first dose. We have received back 3,000, over 3,000 back. So around 1,800. Around 1,800, which they are already due. They have not yet come back.
Chumwaha cha kubasa kubakirugirireho cwega 30 hariga nabwo abantu kucererwa ku maredozi yabo ya kabiri nahabwe nshonga yo mubazi kugumana gukera ko mu mabikiro.
The challenge is sometimes when people come and they don't get the vaccine and they explain, others are not aware. Sometimes we work like for 1 week, then there are certain periods where we don't have the vaccines, so we are not like working. So someone keeps on coming and bouncing.
Dr. Celestine Varije, mukuru w'irwaro ya Mbarara Regional Referral Hospital, nahiga bakicererwa kumara yedozi ya kabiri kujumara yo ngwabwo kubane cyo mugasho nubwo arabe nagira ngo bagemere hebicwe kabiri kwikanshanjo harigana
twashize abantu bukorengo mu kakaga twumva zo kuba ubwo kubanza bwizeye twakosa kanke kumina ngo tungiro kwezinde kumiri bitu intebigendo bisho ntabwo nerizoba abantu bariyo bavuga vaccine yabo
okwisiari izoba omukutugwa ministry y'amagara ngore kangu miliyoni mwene mtwarana n'eshatu kakaga vero nkaga nabana bonka no bagemerwe cyo gukora gaceka kamwe no butonyezo mukaga harigana ubwo mubaro rw'abanyayuganda bari kurenga miliyoni 85. Harrison Kagure, TV West.